Spreadsheet Project. Mr. Verma, the owner of a grocery shop, wants to generate computerized bills after adding the new Goods and Service Tax (GST) introduced by the Indian government. To start with, help him creating an Excel worksheet for calculating the bills by following the given guidelines. Step 1. Enter the data in an Excel worksheet. Step 2. Use autofill feature for entering data in the item number field. Step 3. Calculate the price of the items in the cell E6 by using the formula. Step 4. Copy and paste the formula onto other cells till E11 using the relative cell reference for calculating the price of all the items. Step 5. Calculate the price after adding the GST. Add GST value using the absolute cell reference. Step 6. Calculate the total price using the sum function. Step 7. Merge the cells containing the heading. Step 8. Format the text and the cells of rest of the worksheet. Step 9. Save your workbook with the name Grocery Data.